Even when you feel low, you can still go. Nice. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never ran so long, man, I still go.
Oh, welcome back to the channel, you guys. Welcome back to the boat gang. All right, we got the SonicWake V2 on the block. All right, out here at the Park Pond, going to be doing some testing. In the previous video, we upgraded the ESC. We put a 160 FIRMA in the boat, 8S capable speed control. Actually have 6S single HCL-HP 7600 in here first, and then we're going to run the 6500 150C 4S twins. Okay, stock motor, got the GPS zeroed out with an Octura 642. Let's freaking get it, boy. I'm gonna try to film on this side. We got somebody fishing there. Hopefully he'll finish up before we get to 8S. Threading the needle. Gotta thread the needle here. Normally I would get a power cut with this prop whenever I would go full trigger, like right off the bat. It would power cut. Last time I had this prop on the boat with the stock speed control, so I could definitely tell a difference. Stock parameters, I didn't change the timing or anything like that. Running pretty good, I would say. Actually think I did a pretty good upgrade. Try to thread the needle here in between the Christmas trees. Full trigger, full trigger. Oh, all right, here's our self-rightening test. It may be a little bit slower because of the heavier ESC, you know, and I only have 6S in it. So hopefully it self-rights. Oh, that's okay. So it should self-right like this. There it goes. It's just going to take a little bit longer, but it does self-right. I like these turn fins. 156, 145, 134 on the caps. Motor bullets, 113, 41 on the wires. Degrees. The back of the motor, 150, 143 on the back. 140 on the front, 145. So she's warm, she's warm, she's warm. Okay, just kind of bashing around. We got 49, which I was faster with the 120, to be honest with you. I was faster with the 120, but I hadn't run this prop. Oh, I should have run this OXIDEAN prop. I know a lot of you guys have this prop. I should have ran this prop. All right, 4519 prop on real quick. My battery's pretty much discharged. Just wanted to see what it does with this prop. I think with the stock setup, not these batteries, a different set of batteries, I had gotten 59. Full trigger. All right, let's put ADS on it. Just wanted to do a couple quick runs. 50 mile an hour with 4519 with a discharged battery. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that prop on and we're gonna throw the 6500s in. Cord. Okay, actually made a piece of foam. ADS. Ooh, doggy. All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh. So we got to be careful because this is actually overvolting this motor. We're gonna take it easy, you know. Do very short full trigger burst. You know, don't want to like turn the rotor on this motor or smoke the windings. So if you're putting ADS on the stock motor, be careful, okay? Woo! Holy shit. Holy cow. Full trigger. Woo! Full trigger. Holy cow. Holy cow. I love it. I absolutely love it. Yes, sir, freaking buddy. Now, this is how you tear your boat up now. This is how you tear your boat up. Putting big, heavy batteries in it, okay? High RPM, you go to flying, you go flipping, and you tear your boat up. All right, I'm just warning you. I'm warning you, okay? Shoo, doggy. Shoo, doggy. She wanted to come airborne, boy. Oh, shit. All right, so what I'm gonna do so I can make this turn right here is I'm gonna drop this damn turn fin down just a little bit so I know I can make that darn turn. All right, so I can make that turn. Yeah, you guys want, well, we'll check the speed in a minute. We should probably check temps halfway through. We're overvolting the motor, so we should probably check temps. You know, don't want to take no chances. Yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll check temps halfway through because I do have a 45mm prop. It's a 1.9 pitch, but it's like it's a laid back 1.9, you know? All right, here we go. Here we go. See if putting those turn fins down help. Yeah, that's awesome. See what I'm doing? Short burst. I'm not holding it, pinning it, you know, quick, fast burst. That's awesome. I'm loving this. Yes, sir. What a pretty ride attitude, too. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna come right down this little line of trees right here. Maybe you guys get a better view of it. I don't know if the storm moved these trees or if Park and Rec moved them. Kind of looks like they were strategically placed, but that could just be me, you know. Let's see if we can thread the needle here. Wow, got soaked. That's awesome. That's freaking awesome, boys. So let's check the speed. Let's check the temps. We did about 4 full trigger pulls there. Let's not get too ahead of ourselves, okay? Wow. They should have made this boat 8S out the box. This should have been an 8S boat out the box. Okay, let's check temps real quick. That thing is a beast on 8S. Highly, highly recommend this ESC. But if you decide to go 8S, do it at your own risk. Be careful, be safe, you know, check temps, prop the boat right. Don't want to throw no big prop on there on 8S. You know, motor gets warm on 6S, as it is. Gets warm on 6S, 1/3. Damn, it's cooler on 8S. It's cooler on 8S. It likes it. It likes it, boys. 123. Damn, everything's cooler. Wish I didn't run it as hard. Damn, boy. 72 knots and no smoke, boy. Yes, sir, buddy. Just goofing off. 72 miles an hour. Come on. I know. Knots and mile per hour. It's not the same thing. That's my trademark saying. 72 knots and no freaking smoke, boy. Here we go. Here we go. Oh! All right, so let's check the self-rightening. That's good. That's good we did that. And did my rudder break off? Self-rightening. Self-rightening, come on, come on. My rudder broke off, boys. Something looks off. What do you guys think it is? Jeez! Jeez, she's not ironclad, boys. Not yet, anyway. So, my screws pulled right out the transom, as you can see, and it broke. It broke the servo horn as well. So we'll need to replace the servo horn, through drill the transom, put a nut in there. Which, you know, it's actually kind of nice that these things pull out like that. Because if you have a nut in it, it's going to rip the whole transom off. It happened to me. Okay, so kind of got to choose between the lesser of two evils. Do you oversize the screw with no nut, or do you just put a nut on it and say done? So it happens. It happens. I was just telling you guys this. When you put more power in a boat, you got to have it right. You got to take it easy because things break. Okay, things break. So yep, we'll see you guys the next time. 67 mile per hour flip. High flying fun. Okay, we're going to get her ironcladded out. Thanks for watching. Big B, we're Ironclad RC.